Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming capabilities. Check that your phone supports USB-C alt mode or MHL output and that the monitor accepts HDMI. Once confirmed, connect the USB-C to HDMI adapter to the phone. Make sure the adapter is rated for video output. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and the monitor. If your adapter requires external power, attach the phone charger to the adapter now so the phone won't drain mid-setup. Once the physical connection is made, switch the monitor to the matching HDMI input and wake the phone screen. On Android, open Settings, then Display or Connected Devices to select the external display. On some phones, the phone automatically detects output. Make sure resolution and refresh rate are supported by the monitor. Lower them if the image is unstable. If using an active adapter, keep the phone charger connected. This stabilizes power and prevents thermal throttling that can disrupt video. You finish by setting orientation and scaling so apps fit the monitor. Route audio to the monitor in sound settings. If there's no picture, first verify the adapter supports video. Some USB-C cables are power only. Swap the HDMI cable or try another adapter and reboot the phone to clear temporary issues. If problems persist, test casting via Chromecast or Miracast as a wireless fallback. This helps isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.